Remember the MasterChef series where the Malaysian lady cooked rendang and one of the judges says, "Your rendang is not crispy." Well, rendang is not crispy because it's like a stew. No, it's got a thick gravy. So it looks like our judge is not clear of the idea what a rendang is. So maybe he's inspired me to make something different. So I'm going to prove to him that our rendang, our Malaysian rendang, can be crispy. So let's go! Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey.
To make things easy, just get a pack of 200 grams of shop-bought rendang sauce, or about that weight.
Season the chicken with some salt.
There are 5 top tips and 2 secret ingredients to make it crispy and tasty. Then add in the rendang paste. Massage it with your hands and make sure the rendang paste goes under the skin and into all the folds so that it will be tasty. Marinate it for at least 3 hours or leave it in the fridge covered overnight. That would be the best. Then prepare the other ingredients for the coating. Season well all the ingredients as the chicken thighs are plain.
Season the flour with salt and pepper.
Crack the eggs. Season generously with salt and pepper and mix it up. Mix 1.5 cups of panko with 1 cup of desiccated coconut.
Season the panko with salt and pepper as well.
Add in the curry powder and mix well. If you find my video of value, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the notification button too.
So now we arrange it in this way so that we can easily coat the chicken. First step, we coat it with the flour. Make sure it's nicely coated.
In the meantime, heat up the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. This best crispy fried chicken thigh is a healthier recipe than the regular deep fried chicken. It is oven baked.
And then you shake off the excess. Then we dip it in the egg. And then we put it in the panko.
Use the other hand for the crumbs.
There you go. Make sure you shake off
the excess crumbs or panko and arrange on the baking tray. Repeat until all the chicken is done. Spray the chicken with the oil spray or brush with some cooking oil. Bake in a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. I like to turn the chicken over around 30 minutes and bake it for the rest of the time. Here's the chicken fresh from the oven. To check that it is cooked, prick the chicken. If the juice runs clear, it is cooked. If the juice is reddish, it means that it is not cooked and it should be baked for another 5 to 10 minutes.
So this is how crispy it is, and I'm going to try one. Oh my god.
Here are the 5 top tips again. Marinate the chicken for 3 hours or overnight. Season well all the ingredients. Adding curry powder and desiccated coconut makes the chicken more flavorful. Spray the chicken with oil to make it more crispy. Turn the chicken over halfway so that you'll be crispy all over. Yes, my rendang is crispy! For more recipes, click here. For food and travel, click here. If you find my channel of value, please do subscribe. Until the next round, until the next video, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Bye for now.